Hello, my name is Nicholas Scalercio. I'm going to be doing the chicken wing dissection today. Here is my little flashcard with a couple of the points that I'm going to go over. Okay, so I have the chicken wing already dissected. I've got my safety goggles on and my gloves. I'm going to point the camera down so we can see the structures and talk about them too. Okay. So I've cut away all the flexor muscles and extensor muscles, and I have made visible the elbow joint. So up here at the upper arm, we have the humerus. Down here, we have the radius and the ulna, just like in a human specimen. The radius is to the lateral side or the thumb side. In this case, is actually the claw side. Now, you can see here that around the joint is the synovial membrane or the synovial capsule. When I cut into it, a tiny, tiny bit of fluid comes out. You can see it right here in the joint itself. That is synovial fluid. All right, so we take away all of the capsule, and here is the ends of the bones. Right here, there's our humerus. You can see it. There's our radius and ulna. The ends of these bones is a white tissue. It's very slick and very shiny. That is the articulating cartilage. That is at the end of the long bones, and what that does is it helps for the bones to slide more easily across each other without any resistance. The synovial fluid also helps as a lubricant during that same process when the joint is flexing, extending, rotating, and so forth. Okay, let me take off my gloves. We're going to talk about a disease that affects the synovial joint. Now, a common disease that affects humans and other species is rheumatoid arthritis. Now, rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic systemic inflammatory disorder that affects a bunch of different tissues and organs, but mainly attacks the synovial joint. Now, what happens is that the joint capsule around the joint becomes inflamed, secondary as a response to inflammation of the synovial cells, an increase in synovial fluid buildup, and fibrous tissue formation inside of the synovium. Now, the pathology of the disease often is destruction of the articulating cartilage, that cartilage that helps the bones to glide across each other more easily, destruction of that cartilage, or ankylosing or fusion of the joint itself. Okay, that's the dissection of the chicken wing. Thank you very much.